Hi everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making zucchini muffins. You might be thinking this size, but nope, we're gonna make the mini muffins. So what you're gonna need is vanilla extract, salt, cinnamon, olive oil. I'm using walnuts, eggs, zucchini, sugar and flour, baking soda, baking powder, and then we're gonna add a special ingredient, chocolate mini morsels. The oven is preheating to 400 degrees, and now I'm going to start combining my ingredients. I have extra virgin olive oil. I've got sugar, zucchini, which I've already shredded. I did not peel it, but you certainly can. I'm using my chopped walnuts. Now I bought a package that said chopped, but I decided to chop it finer than that. And my vanilla. So we're going to mix this up. Now this recipe was adapted from one of my sisters. She used to make zucchini bread, and I decided to change it to muffins. So sometimes I make regular size muffins, sometimes mini. I've never added the chocolate chips before, but we're going to do that today to try something a little different. All right, it's combined. We're going to whisk up 2 eggs, and we're going to add those. If you don't have a sifter, you can just use a whisk. It'll give you the same results. So we're going to move over to that. So we have flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon. I'm just going to put all those in here. All we're doing is incorporating air. All right, now we're going to go back to our big bowl, and we're going to add everything there. So zucchini muffins, they're great for breakfast, maybe an after-school snack. So if you make enough of these, you can freeze them. They freeze really well. All right, our batter is ready. Our oven's almost ready. So here's our mini muffin pan. Mine's been well loved. Now, if you're not going to use liners, definitely make sure that you spray it really well so they don't stick. Now last time I did this, I filled it to the top because I wanted that dome shape, but you don't have to. You can do less. It will make more muffins. All right, now we're gonna put the mini semi-sweet morsels in. I think we'll do about 8. It'll be easy to tell by putting them on here right before going in the oven, which I almost forgot to do. Okay. All right, so I want to test them, see if they're ready, because my oven tends to cook things faster. So we're going to take our toothpick, stick it in. If it comes out clean, then we know they're ready. Oh, that looks good. Oh yeah. So mine cooked a little under 20 minutes. So they're hot, we're gonna let them sit, and then we're gonna try them. Can you kind of see them a little bit?
Yeah, you gotta pull them back a little bit.
Towards us?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, let's do this. Okay. All right, well now we're going to try the zucchini muffins, and like I said, we have one that's got the mini semi-sweet chocolate and then the regular zucchini muffin. Which one are you going to try first?
You know, try the one with the chocolate.
Okay, I knew it.
Cheers.
Cheers. We like chocolate. Very good. I like the addition of the chocolate because it's not too sweet, not too chocolatey.
I don't.
You don't like the chocolate one as much? No?
Nope.
Okay. All right. Cheers again. All right. Without the chocolate.
I like these because they're the mini muffins. I like because they're crispy, more surface crispy area, better than a big muffin.
I think that one's good too. I definitely like it without the liners. It is a pain to get it out of the muffin pan. Even though I sprayed it really well, they still stuck.
I think they're sweet enough without the chocolate.
Well, you have options.
I'm gonna go pure zucchini.
You're a purist.
Very nice.
Okay.
We need something to drink. We need some milk.
That's true. We do. Well, thanks for watching. As usual, I have too much food in my mouth. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time in our next episode. Bye. All right, go check it.
Yeah, I like it better without the
Okay.
chocolate. I don't like the chocolate on the top. Maybe if it was down inside.
I could have pushed it.